Hi. Tonight's the end of the night. Where do you work? What's your name?
What?
What's your name? Where do you work?
I'm Xavier.
Where do you work?
I work at Hollywood Studios.
Where?
Outdoor.
Doing what?
The carts, churros, Mickey bars, popcorn, everything. So be nice to me.
What? This is, look at this kid. He's literally eating peanut butter and jelly on a bagel. That is disgusting. Jersey would never. Jersey would never. There are children watching this.
Are they?
I'm eating cheesecake from yesterday because I went to the Cheesecake Factory.
You have to bleep it out now.
I'm not bleeping out anything.
I pass all the time. This is the way it fucking has to go. Oh my god, so scared.
Hello everybody, I am at the Magic Kingdom. It is February 26th, 2020, and the Magic Kingdom is sort of not as packed as I thought it would have been. I think because it's going to rain tonight, which is kind of crazy and sad, but I haven't been here when it's been like fully downpouring like for the majority of the day, I would say. I just see the ominous clouds rolling in. But I brought my rain jacket, everything's ready. But I kind of wanted to wear like my rain jacket. I don't really know, it's kind of weird. But here we go. But there's the band, that's cool. For those of you who don't know, I still am in my college marching band as well as I was in my marching band in high school. So I played clarinet. So anything music and band related, I'm like such a nerd too. But yeah. Just brass and drum line, but
the east wind traded places.
Is it actually Wednesday though?
it is Wednesday. And it's gonna rain and it's windy.
It is Wednesday.
They steal honey. Steal honey.
Oh no.
This is the coolest part of the ride.
I got a kid's meal because I want us to eat other stuff later, but it comes with a cookie, yogurt, milk. There we go. What'd you get?
Chicken pot pie and just coffee stuff on the side. I got mac and cheese.
Is it good?
It's really good.
Are there peas in it? I don't like peas. Okay. No, what'd you get?
I got the kids meal.
Same thing as me. Copier.
But they gave me 2 cookies instead. So
I didn't. Oh, okay. I was like confused why. Okay. Dang it. Okay. What'd you get?
I got the grilled shrimp.
Is it good?
It's pretty good actually.
There we go. Okay. You heard it right here, Columbia Harbor House. Let's go. A storm is a-brewing in Florida. I feel some raindrops. We're by the Tanglewood Restroom area. As you can see, some people are getting ready for whatever this is about to be. I don't know what it's gonna be, but let's hope it's not too crazy. But yeah, I already feel the raindrops. Let's get ready. It's starting to rain.
It's raining.
Not too bad, not yet. This is the calm before the storm.
Yeah.
Literally, I am always the first person to feel a raindrop. It's part of my psychic
I felt it
abilities.
before you came out.
Okay, but it's because you were standing outside.
Exactly.
But literally,
Is Jamel ready? Getting ready? Oh. Oh my god, your jacket's so cute.
Oh, thank you. Oh, sad. I bought it this past summer. I don't know if it's still here or not.
That's cute though, look at that. She's getting her
I am ready.
ensemble ready for the rain because it's definitely gonna come down. We'll see though. We just got underneath Peter Pan. Oh my god. It's coming down. We're thankfully we have. Yeah, it's coming. My kid is brave. Oh my god, it's coming. It's coming in here. You should buy a poncho. You're gonna, you can reuse it. Oh. Okay. But thankfully we're in line, we're covered. Somewhat before, okay. Bye. Yay! Ooh! Ah! My head.
Oh my god, are we flying? It's flying!
Oh, we stopped.
It's okay, at least we're not being rained on.
May I have your attention?
Oh.
Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily.
See, there's a platform right there if we need to walk.
Oh my god.
Please
That's funny.
remain seated for your own safety.
They're gonna have to manually like move us. Yeah, each boat. Not clickbait. We're just hanging, guys. This is kind of funny. Look at the cars. Look at all the cars. You can see the cars. We're just chilling in London. No big deal, guys. Took a trip to London real fast, like with our. Oh, there we go.
I don't want that.
What's up, Lost Boys and Lost Girls? It's Nick from Neverland, and welcome back to my channel.
The definitely not racist native tribe.
Nick from Neverland. There we go, y'all.
It's literally your brand. Girl, if you have to pee, just go to the bathroom.
Whoa.
They fight.
TikTok, Renegade. There isn't TikTok. Pizza. I got stuck here for like 5 minutes the other time.
We're good together.
That was that was okay.
Yeah, because I know something.
Okay, I was with you then. With Alicia. It was just us. Someone else was there. Oh my god. I knew there was gonna be something. Wait, there's pop balls? Oh my. Hello guys. Natalie and I are waiting for the fireworks. But we're underneath the train station thing. There we go. There we go. But it's actually really good because it's covered. So I recommend if it's ever raining or like dreary out to go underneath here. But as you see, the lights aren't off. But it's a great view, castle. Okay, I don't want copyright infringement. Bye. Dinner time. So now we're at Port Orleans French Quarter. I can't even see myself. So Natalie's never been here before. Oh, she
No, wait, I think I have.
Been to the resort, but not ever eaten here.
Yes, right.
So we're gonna explore a little bit. Let's see.
Well, yeah, no, I don't think I've ever even been in here.
Really? Okay. So this is Port Orleans French Quarter, and like so, Scat Cat Club is so fun. It's like jazz music. It's right here. They're gonna like be like playing. This is where they have the beignets. So we're gonna come here, and then that's the store. The pool's over there. But this is the quick service. Back in the day, it used to be so crazy because they had like these giant floats, giant like float designs. Like there's mass. It's kind of creepy. But I think this is this has better food than compared to Riverside. So that's how we're here. Beignet cheeseburger. Oh my god. What else? I know. We'll come here again. We can come here tomorrow if you want.
But I feel like if I'm gonna get beignets, I need to just wait till we get the Mickey beignets.
So yeah, that is true. I agree with that. Oh, jambalaya. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good. Oh my god. Oh. I'll make it the I have to get jambalaya. I have to. Oh wait, no, the gumbo is good. Oh, I don't know. I'll let you guys know what I get. I got the jambalaya and Natalie got the shrimp and grits. Oh my god, that looks so good.
So good.
Oh my gosh. That looks so good. Okay, I got you a spoon too. Yeah, I got you a spoon for it. Yummy. Okay. Let's see. And this is so good. And it comes with cornbread. Look at the cornbread.
Give me the Coast discount, which I was.
Try it. Let's see. It's good? It's good? Okay. Do you want to try?
I'm good.
You want to try? It's spicy.
I'm not a huge jambalaya.
Oh my god. Bye. Y'all, look at these beignets. Oh my gosh. They look so good. You've never had one of these, right?
No.
Okay.
I don't even know if I've had like actual beignets.
Let's take a picture. I'm gonna take a picture.
Okay.
Bye. How do you like it?
It's really good.
Beignet virginity gone. A lot of powdered sugar though, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
It's so good though, oh my god. And they're Mickey shaped, so cute.
We love Mickey.
Bye. That is the end of our night. We did a lot today, Magic Kingdom, and then we ate some really good food at Port Orleans French Quarter, but we're gonna explore Port Orleans, Riverside, and go back to French Quarter eventually. And then we talked about DCOM and DCOM movies and Disney Channel on the way back home.
Yeah.
So yeah, and we took our leftovers. Yeah, cause we get full fast. It was a lot of food, and these people can get us. But so tomorrow we're going to Hollywood Studios. Yay!
I'm so excited.
I know, me too. It's gonna be so much fun. So we need to get some rest because it's 10:30, which is not that bad. Because usually, we'd get hopefully a cup of
Yeah.
magic or something. But okay, that's it. Bye.